What's up, y'all? It's your boy, Mr. T-Shirt, back with another one. Now, I know I've been gone for a minute, but as usual, life comes with responsibilities and things that need to be taken care of, as well as business ventures. All right, so I have been spending a lot of time expanding the business, meeting up with some business partners and networking. So I haven't been on YouTube and tapping in with you guys for a little while now. I do apologize, but good news, I'm back in action, up and running again, and we're moving forward with our business. So I want to thank you guys for being patient. But in today's video, as I've realized in the past, you guys love when I do these videos on Puff HTV. And actually working on a project recently, I had came across a new color Puff HTV that was sent to me by my great friend James over at Econo Transfer. Now, since receiving this package, I haven't really had time to get into it and check it out. But as I said, I was working on a project the other day and I thought it was just some regular gold. So I pressed it on an item, and lo and behold, it was a beautiful metallic gold Puff HTV. All right, so I said, you know what? I'm going to actually create a video on this one and show how cool this new color of Puff HTV actually is. All right, so let's jump on into it. All right, so we're going to jump over into our program where we're going to design our image. Now, when I'm designing my images for Puff HTV, I like to keep them nice and simple. That way, when it heats up, they don't bubble into each other and make it hard to read. And now we're going to jump over. Let's get this cut up. And we jump over to our laptop, send this over to the cutter, and let it do its thing. All right, so now we have our HTV Puff all weeded out and ready to apply it to our garment. Now, the t-shirt that I'm using is just a Gildan Soft style t-shirt, but it's one of many of my test sample shirts. Let me walk you guys over here. I'll show you. I have actually a whole bag of just sample shirts that I usually just pull from to test stuff on. And that's a bag that I keep in the shop, you know, just to run randoms on. So back over to the press. All right, just gonna pre-press this for about 3 to 5 seconds. Get some of the moisture out. Now, when pressing this Econo Puff metallic, the pressing procedure, everything else is the same. Temperatures, everything. The only thing that's different is the press time. What you're gonna do is an initial press. All right, you're gonna press it down for about 3 seconds. You're gonna remove the sheet, then you're gonna press it down again for an additional 8 to 10 seconds. So there's a 2-step process in this press of the Econo Metal Puff HTV. All right, unlike the regular Econo Puff that you're probably accustomed to using. All right, so now that the heat press is heated up, I'm gonna press it down 3 seconds. 1, 2, 3. All right, gonna pull it up. We're gonna pull off the carrier sheet, and you can already see that start to puff up. Okay, now we're gonna hit it one more time for 8 seconds. All right, should be good there. And boom, look at that. If that's not puffy, then I don't know what is. Look how nice that came out. Now you guys can see why I like to pick simple fonts, because you see how close the F and the T is right here, but yet there's still space where it separates them so you can see and make out what it says. But look how puffed up that is, and then also look at that nice, pretty gold metallic color as well. Right, and then when you run your hands across it, of course you feel that texture. All right, so for those of you who have been attempting to apply Puff HTV and have been struggling, click on the videos at the end of this one, and not only to show you how to apply the Puff, but also how to fix wrinkle puff should you get it after trying to apply this type of HTV. Remember, the key to perfect puff is removing the moisture first off and also the time settings. I want to thank you guys for watching. Make sure to subscribe, like, and share to keep up with all the new video drops. Oh, and before I go, just wanted to give a special thanks to all my subscribers who keep the comments coming in. You guys are the reason why I always have content to offer to the community. So without you, there would be no Mr. T-Shirt. As usual, thank you guys for tapping in. Until next time, I'm Mr. T-Shirt, signing off. Peace.